Hi everyone, starting down in town today by the Bear Christmas tree. Normally gets lights put round it this one, and this year just seems like they've either been lazy or run out of money or decided to spend more time focusing on different areas. Anyway, we do have something new coming to Benidorm. Remember this building here, guys? Used to be an old Italian restaurant visited by the site man once, and now it's going to be a buffet. Now I believe it's going to do a lot of different stuff from what I can see from looking at it. I don't really entirely know. It's saying like sushi, so whether that is all they do or not, I don't know. But Levante Buffet Libre coming to Benidorm soon, I should hope. Then we're starting by the Shooting Star. Oh yeah, I've just seen that orange tree as well. I think they are free to take, to be fair. I don't entirely know. I think they have also been put in for homeless. So if like you're homeless and feel a bit peckish, like fresh oranges. Anyway, before I go any further, before I forget as well, to be honest, hang on, where am I? Wrong way. There I am. So yeah, before I forget, quick few things. One, I would like to give a huge happy birthday to the legend himself, Dick Van Dyke. 100 years old, guys. 100 years old. Wow. That's an age I guess we all wish to get to, ain't it? We all wish to at least live to 100 or somewhere near it anyhow. So yeah, happy birthday, Dick Van Dyke, the legend of British film and TV. And of course, while I'm here as well, I'd like to wish John Cena a very happy retirement. I know he probably don't watch my vids but on the off chance that he actually does watch them, happy retirement, John Cena. There's Mike Dirt on a film. So we're just heading down one of the main sort of shopping streets here in Benidorm. Got tons of shops and cafes all sort of lining up along here. Now, I will say one thing, I did say this in my nighttime vid, I believe. It has changed a lot down here. Like Christmas sort of down the street isn't really the same anymore. I will say that. Isn't really the same at all down here. No idea what she was saying. Yeah, as I was saying, Christmas has changed a lot down here. Used to be a lot more things to actually do down the street over Christmas. Now I'm going back easily a couple years now, but I mean, when we first started holidaying here for Christmas, there used to be like all sort of stuff up here for kids to do, like a Santa's grotto. I think There are like some arcade machines, some mini fairground rides for kids to have fun on, and yeah, I think, to be honest, it used to be a damn sight better, to be honest. At the moment, it's just sort of a copy of Blackpool in a way, really. More trying to do it for the picture opportunities, not really the fun, but hey ho. As the saying is, that life changes fast. At the end of the day, you either change with it or stay behind in the past. But it is still sad because there are a lot more stuff to do for people down here. And now it's just like lights. Now there was something pop up on this board here that I went to look at if it will come up again, which I doubt it will. It was like an advisor. Ah, that's it. Advisor, Benidorm and Levante and Marilla. I don't know what that's about, to be fair. Could be warning of the weather that's due. Could be warning of other stuff, who knows. Try saying this area now, because school has just finished and, well, you know what YouTube's like. But yeah, it does look sort of boring down here, to be fair. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys, it looks nice. It really does look nice of a night when it's all lit up. But it's just more of a picture thing. Like, it's just more with something like, oh, like, look at me, you stand here in front of the bubble, all lit up, get a picture, that's it, sort of thing. I mean, yeah, as the other saying goes, pictures create long-lasting memories, but is that really what you want? Like, say you're staying up wink on end, are you really going to want to walk all the way up here just for a picture in front of something lit up?
Yeah.
Probably, yeah, probably. Depends on who you are, to be honest, but a night off from the booze, as Mike says. Hotel Avenida there, that's a good hotel, from what I've heard anyhow. Wouldn't quote me on it, but what I have heard is this place here, Apartamentos Avenida, now they're like a jail. How true that is, I don't know, but they are not nice according to Grummet and Big Dog. Anyhow, hit the like, hit subscribe, and as the saying goes, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. Adios.